Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Trevor's Phone Reviews video, and in today's HD tutorial we're talking about how to do the Duet feature on TikTok, because everybody wants to know how to do it, and we all know that TikTok is the new up-and-coming popular app, and it's going head-to-head with Instagram video and also Instagram Reel, which I think is a complete rip-off knockoff of what they have on TikTok. So let's get into today's tutorial on how you can do the Duet feature on TikTok, because some of you guys are like, they don't see it when they come down here. They just see the homes, discover, they see the plus button, inbox, and me, and they're like, good lord, everybody's at the gas station, and all they see is the TikTok like this, and they're wondering, where's the availability to do that? Do they have to edit it in post? Do they have to edit it off the computer? No, you just go, like, if you're trying to do a TikTok like this, where you're kind of like reacting to another person's TikTok, and this is what YouTube should be implementing already. They should get the video responses back, because that would be pretty cool. So basically what you're going to do is you go to somebody's account, and let's just say you go to her account, and if you want to do a duet, you're going to go over to the share button, and the share button itself is going to allow you to respond with a duet, and when you hit the duet button, it's going to load the video up so you can start doing your duet with that person. So it says processing video, and then it's going to do the side-by-side video, and that is how duet. So let me hit record. I don't know if it's going to allow me to record while I am screen recording, but you are going to be able to do it, because it did pause my camera down here. And then you hit this button right here, the,
How do I ask a boy out? Roses are red, violets are blue.
So I do apologize there, because I went back and looked at the footage, and it did delete the audio clip from my recording when I was showing you how to do the duet. So basically, you hit the duet button, then you hit record, and it's going to do the side-by-side. And once you get to the tag section, you type in all your tags, then TikTok is going to allow you to do any sort of effects that they offer. You're going to allow to add effects to your video, but overall, that is the simplest way you can do a duet here. Like I said, if you're new to TikTok, this is a way to grow your channel, but I wanted to bring it to you guys here on YouTube, because a lot of you guys might be interested in trying to figure out how to do the duet feature, and you just can't figure it out. But as always, guys, that's how I figured it out. I figured it out on my own. So with that being said, guys, that is one of the main ways you can grow your TikTok, because I've only been on TikTok for like 4 days and already have 3 followers, over 700 views on one TikTok video. And it's because when you do it with other TikTokers who are big, it kind of tags them in as a dual feature. So when people are searching their favorite TikToker, it will show up as you're on the TikTok as like a recommendation. So you can see right here, there is a good amount of views for me being on TikTok for a very short amount of time. So as always, remember to rate, hate, comment, and subscribe. And that's Trevor, back with another Trevor's Phone Reviews video, and that is a HT tutorial on how to do the duet feature on TikTok. Hopefully that helped.